We got very much nice fight coming up between Omar Trinidad and Jervin Ancajas. And Jervin pretty boy Ancajas. He's one of the most successful Filipino boxers. But he's aging, he's 34, fighting out of Cavite City, Cavite, Philippines. Lost to Takuma Inoue, but then bounced back against Super Seed, Pompitak, Richie, Meprano, Ruben Casero, Antonio Tostado Garcia. He beat a Mexican guy in Mexico, but Omar Trinidad is just a next level generation boxer, 30 years of age, out of LA. He destroyed Max Hernandez, Alexander Espinoza, Mike Bonilla, Andres Sosa, Victor Slavinsky, Jose Perez, a draw against Lorenzo Para. I think Ancajas could give us a good fight, but unfortunately, I just think Trinidad gonna be too much. I don't see Ancajas getting knocked out, but I don't think he's got cardio to endure Trinidad's reign of heavy punches, quick strikes. I just think Trinidad gonna win this one, potentially decision.